Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's been a long time, and today we're going to do the unboxing of Nikon 3500d. This is the entry-level DSLR and we have ordered it from Amazon in the recent freedom sale. So let's get started. And this is the parcel we have received from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. So let's open the package. So these are the items that we have received: a DSLR box and bag here, and the bill. We'll keep it aside. So let's open the box, and here we have I think it is the SD card. So here we have a 16 GB SD card of Toshiba. So here is our product, and there is a Nikon branding here. It says that it comes with a 16 GB memory card and the carry case with 2 years of warranty, and we have bought it with kit lens as well as a zoom lens. So I would recommend to buy it with a zoom lens, because if you are going for the zoom lens separately, it would cost you like 12.5k, which is very high price. So it's better to go for two lenses while buying a DSLR. So let's open it. And here we go. First of all, the Nikon strap we have here. So next thing is we have the battery. It is of 230 mAh and it takes 3 times more shots than the battery that comes with Canon 1500D. So it is a very good deal. And here we have the battery charger. Okay, let's keep it aside. And here we have the kit lens, 1855mm Nikon kit lens. Here we have, it's really amazing. Okay, what else do we have here? So since we ordered 2 lenses, here we have zoom lens. As I already told you, to buy 2 lenses together, it is going to be a better deal for you. So here we have our zoom lens, 70-300mm zoom lens. As you can see, the amount of zoom that it does. Okay, let's keep it aside. And finally, we'll be moving towards our camera body, which is the most important part. So, okay, open it. And we have our Nikon 3500d body. The LCD screen is fixed. It is of 3 inches and the build quality is absolutely premium, and the grip that we have here is really good, because it won't slip when you are holding a camera and taking the shots. See how it fits into the palm, and it is not even big. You can fit this camera into the single palm of the palm of your hand. See how compact and beautiful it is. And here we have the series number D3500. Okay, and what else we have in here? We have the booklet, okay, and the warranty card, nationwide warranty card, and of course the user manual. So that's it. Let's have a look at the bag too. This is the last thing that we have, the bag, carry bag. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, the bag is really premium, I must say. See how many zips it has. Oh, this is the good See the strap and two pockets to keep the lenses here, and front pocket to keep the SD card or whatever you want. It's really cool. It's quite big enough to carry two lenses. Okay. So finally, let's talk about the price. We got this for 32.5k from Amazon Freedom Sale. It includes the instant discount of 1500 rupees using the SBI credit card. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.